Alright guys, quick little hit of CF Diesel. We're gonna dyno the truck for the first time. It's been together for 18 hours. We're gonna see what kind of number it hits. Factory tuning right now. Get up there, 5th gear, full throttle, and we're gonna see what happens. So stay tuned.
Little does he know I brought a friend.
Virgin on the dyno. The number was 288. That's a number that I can live with because it's the very first number the truck has ever made. It's only been together for 18 hours, make it boost. So from here, we can only progress upward, and we are coming back in September to go ahead and make a better number. So maybe in September, Chris is gonna let me use a good old bottle, but this first time, just wet my whistle and we're good to go. So happy with the number and appreciate the quick middle right there. I got both hands shaking.
Look at that. Look at that.
I can't control it, so
it's
crazy. But
you give somebody 288 horsepower and they change their whole life.
Look at that. So, woo. He was like, low, and then we did it in 4th. He's like, no, we gotta do 5th. And then I got a lot of brake and no throttle, and then he's like clutching. I was like, this is all a little way too fast.
Oh yeah, it moves quick. When it starts happening, it starts moving quick.
So then I don't think like the second rip, I wouldn't say I was gun shy. It was like brake, and then it was like I was feeling getting a little bit more load, and he was like punching, and then I don't think I really like dug into it enough. I think I just kind of went, and then when it kind of came alive, I quit worrying about my foot and I looked directly at the engine. I don't know. It was all like that though.
It happens fast.
Yeah.
But it's still alive.
Yeah.
It's been running 18 hours.
Yeah.
And you've been working on it for 2 years.
So,
now you get to load it up and take it home.
No, that's the most impressive thing, is that all that hard work is paying off in terms of reliability and getting to run it again basically tomorrow if I wanted to.
So we got NHRDA in like 4 weeks right here.
Correct. Yep.
You come back, be a little bit more advanced.
Yeah, so what I want to do is take it back up to your shop again before we go to NHRDA. Let's do some tuning on the quad box and then overlook everything. Let's try to get up to 100 miles an hour in it, just see what it does in a second gen, and then from there, if we're ready to lay a smackdown number of better than 288 and maybe spray some fog in there, then I'll say let's go for it. So
sounds like a plan. You heard the man.
You heard it first. $14.68. $16.01, 23.27 torque. So that's going to be a wrap on Texas Truck Jams. We got to see plenty of trucks dyno. Got this one on the dyno, made a number, and it's just a number. So we can only work up from here. But we got it loaded down. We're going to hop in the Medcab. We're going to head home. We'll catch you on the next video. Plus out.